Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel Burris, and today we're going to talk about the top finds that are designer approved that you can find at Ikea. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started because I can't wait to share the good deals that I found thus far. If you have small children, dogs, or if you have a husband, the last thing you want to do is spend an exorbitant amount of money on throw pillows. And this is where this pillow comes in. Got this pillow for $10. It came with a removable cover and it has its own little insert. I think it's feathers or whatever. I don't know. But I like the fact that it has a cover because I do have an animal and I have the husband and the child, and they all are messy in one way or another. Not me. I don't mess up anything. And I definitely don't go around throwing pillows on the floor. I just wanted to get something that was going to be extremely durable, but not break the bank. They go with my color scheme, which is the deep browns and the taupes and the grays and the beiges and things like that. Basically, I love a good neutral palette. It makes me feel very calm and makes me feel very sophisticated. I love the texture. What else can I say? Looking for something that is modern, but also add a little bit of texture and enhance what you already got going on, then I would highly recommend checking out these pillows because they're super cute. Let me show you guys one more thing that I got from Ikea recently. The second thing that I want to show you is this glass vase. It's a soft, earthy, bubbly, beautiful textured vase. You can put candles in here or you can put flowers in. I previously bought this for flowers and I've since moved it around the house. I just love a glass vase. I don't know if you guys can see that. I love a good texture, especially in something as simple as a vase. I remember last time I went, they had this vase in a clear version. I don't know if they still have the brown version, but they do have a clear version. If you just want to have a textured vase, then I would highly recommend checking this out. All right, so the next item that I want to show you guys is a little stool. I was kind of looking at this stool and I was like, oh, that's kind of cute. Only thing is I probably have to change out the woven braiding. I like the fact that this stool is real acacia wood. It's only $49, smooth and kind of warm and like rich, but not too dark, not too light. It's just right. And I feel that with the right pairing, this would look really sophisticated in any space. Now, if you have a smaller space, you want to get a couple of these stools for extra seating, makes sense. If you have a larger space and you just want to put your feet up on something without having a large ottoman that's taken over the space, then you could do this as well. It's actually an outdoor stool, but you can also use it inside because it's so beautiful. The fact that it's $50 is great because I feel like a stool like this would cost upwards of $200, $300 on another site. So if I were you, I would highly recommend going to check this stool out if you have need for additional seating in your space. Look, there are some brands where it's just like, you want me to spend how much on what? And it doesn't look like or feel like high end. So with that being said, I love the fact that this stool is only $50. I don't currently have one in my home, but I am thinking about putting it upstairs in our primary bedroom. So if I were you, I would definitely check it out. If you like beautiful natural acacia wood, I think the name is Stockholmen. I'm definitely going to butcher these Ikea names, so please be understanding. Okay, so this next item is actually not a new item. I combed through the website and I found a couple of things that are there that I just really want to talk about that I'm still obsessed with since their first launch. And this is the Varmblix. Am I saying that right? Varmblix light. I love this light. Oh my God. Well, the first time I saw the glow, the tubing and the softness and the way that it kind of like, kind of drips down and it's tiered, I'm just like, oh my God, I have to have that light in the house. Even though I really don't love ceiling lighting. I love cove lighting. I love lighting that is very subtle and diffused. And of course, this is a very bright fixture that kind of hangs down. Although it's a warm 2700 Kelvin, it's still overhead lighting. If I had to have overhead lighting, I would highly recommend going with this item. It is beautiful and it is a very inexpensive piece compared to a lot of other fixtures that I've seen. I'm still not completely done with the lighting in my house. Even though we've lived here for 8 years, I constantly change my mind, which is why I keep everything fairly neutral and white, because I like to do that. And this light, I don't think it's going to disappoint if you are like me and you change your mind a lot and you like fairly neutral and light and airy things. It's kind of sculptural. It looks very chic and sophisticated, and it's not very expensive. If you can get away with having a very sophisticated piece in your home and have it look really nice and elevated without spending all of your money trying to achieve that look, then I would definitely do that if I were you. So going with a mix of high-end things and low-end things and knowing exactly where to spend your money appropriately, it's going to help you in your decorating mission. It's going to help you in the effort to buy a lot of things in a short period of time if you're looking to host fairly quickly, and if you are impatient like me. But anyway, this barm split, you see the title on the screen. My lamp is $219 and I'm still obsessed with it, even though it came out, I think, about 2 years ago. I'm thinking about getting it, even though my husband, when he sees this video, he's gonna be like, oh no, we are not getting a new light fixture to put up over the dining room table, which is where I'm thinking about putting it. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, then go ahead and hit that notification bell and hit the like button, leave a comment, and go ahead and subscribe, please. Trying to get to 500. Currently I'm at 430 subscribers. So just help me out a little bit. I'm almost there, right? Okay, let's go on to the next item. So this next item is called the chili foot. I don't know how to pronounce it. Foot something or another. Now, this is the exact item that we're talking about, but I did not get this from Ikea. This is from the consignment store, but this is exactly what it looks like. And right now they currently have one on the website that is blue. I love this little watering can simply because the shape of it is very sculptural looking. It's got a natural indent. See that? Now, on the website, they have it listed as a watering can, but you can also use it as a vase for flowers. You can use it for a basic sculptural piece on top of shelves, like I'm currently using it, or you can use it for its intended purpose, which is a water can. And I love this because it's only $5, okay? $5 currently. And they have a clear version of this too. So that's really cool. I like the clear glass version, which I think I prefer, and the metal version, which is this one here. So if you like the sculptural aspect of it, then go ahead and do that because it's really cute, it's cool, and $5. Our next item is the Tervuc Cornell. I'm sorry. Forgive me if I'm mispronouncing any of these words. Just let me know down in the comments if you like the items or not. This is a 3-piece set of candle holders, and I think that they're cute. I'm not really a fan of the color, but like I said, spray paint queen here. Hello. Get a set of 3 for $9.99. I love that. Not only is it small, medium, and large, but you can get multiple sets and have a really cool like candlelit display down your table. I love a warm, soft glow in a space, which is why I'm so against overhead lighting. But I also love not only the warm, soft glow in the space, but I also love saving money. So with that being said, this set is only $10 for a set of 3. You can get multiple sets. They're only $10. You get a set of 3. And if I were you, I'd paint them. Last but not least is Holmerud. I don't know. It's called the Holmerud. I'm going to say that. It's a little oak side table. It's $49. And at first, before I got this piece that's behind me here, I was actually looking at this table thinking that I would take 2 of them and put them side by side so I can put some decorative pieces, because I always love having a sofa table. I just like having lots of storage, and I like to display different things that I find in home goods. And so that table was something that I was thinking about before I got this one. I ultimately decided to get the table that's behind me because it had doors. As you can see, I do like open shelving, but only minimally. So with that being said, it's like doors, concealing mess, and just having a lot of items, but having them hidden is definitely my thing. So I already have my area where I'm displaying things on the shelf, on the coffee table, on our entryway table, and on top of the table. Beneath it, I didn't want to have things exposed. So I decided just not to go with this open shelf, but I think that it's a really cool option. It's fairly inexpensive. It's only $50. You can make a couple different configurations to try to make it look really cool. And I like the fact that it's just kind of like light oak. There are so many different ways to take something that is simplistic in its design and make it look more expensive. It's all about making your space a true representation of who you are and how you like to live. But if you are looking for something inexpensive that you can display different things from your travels, from family mementos, family heirlooms, then I would recommend getting this Holmerud bookshelf side table. You can use it for a shelf, you can use it for a side table, especially if you like warm and neutral, modern, inexpensive items like I do. That is it for this video. What do you guys think? I don't really shop a ton at Ikea, but there are times that I go there and I find accessories here and there because I definitely want to save money, and they do make quality items. Not everything can be recommended from Ikea, but there's a lot of stuff that they do very well. Some lighting, pillows, water cans, side tables, and glass vases. Few accessories will go a long way provided you know how and when to use them. It's all about figuring out what works best for your lifestyle. So if you need help, go to my website, angelburris.com, and we can do a consultation for half an hour or an hour. I would love to help you out with a space. Go to angelburris.com. I thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye. Don't you dare. I gotta film, so you gotta go away. You gotta go sit down. I can't film with you like this. Don't you dare. Get off this couch. Get off the couch. I told you not to jump on the couch. Ow, 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 ow.